India. It's a beautiful country which is known for its popular tea cultivation and ardent tea lovers. This is one thing that we all connect with anyone across our country. Drinking tea has many health benefits as well. Tea is a rich source of flavonoids, bioactive compounds that can lessen oxidative stress, relieve inflammation, and provide other health benefits as recorded by the researchers. There are numerous methods to prepare chai. Let's get started with the preparation of Kattan Chai. Cheta, or a strong Kattan, is a mantra for many northern Keralites. Kattan Chai is simply a black tea which has beneficial factors to boost up our immunity with just few easily available ingredients. So let's get started with the preparation.